So it rained this morning and then it snowed, but the rain really just kills this every single time. Like, bro, what? What? I'm surprised this one stood up. I propped it up on a stick and it didn't fall. Like, I guess like I am making progress, but like half the progress disappears every single time. And it keeps snowing again to give me hope. But yeah, it's just not good. Half of these fell from this. This is so thin. There's holes everywhere. Why? Why? This, I don't know if it's gonna work. I probably won't be able to finish it if it keeps raining. It's supposed to like have another wintry mix, which is basically just rain and maybe some snow on like some day next week. But if it keeps going like this, I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish it. Do I even keep trying? Do I like cut it down, make it smaller and keep going? What do I do? Like, I mean, I guess just keep going, but like, is it even worth it? Like, it's like, just keep getting a sliver of hope that I might finish it, and then boom, gone. Rain, nope, everything's an inch thick. Oh well. I guess I'll just keep trying.